Hi, I'm Vince Casella. I'm a welding instructor here at the Lincoln Electric Company. Today I want to talk about our new Viking 3350 ADV Welding Helmet and the auto shade feature. The auto shade feature is an exclusive feature which senses the amount of light being generated by the welding process and amperage and can dynamically adjust a shade up or down while welding. First, we press enter to start the user interface. Then press enter again to cycle through the 4 modes of the helmet: weld, cut, grind, and auto. The mode will show at the top center of the screen. Now with auto selected, press the right arrow 3 times to adjust the shade offset, or simply put the minimum and maximum shade range in half increments that you would allow the helmet to adjust. For this video, we will set the positive offset at 2 and the negative offset at 1. Once set, press the right arrow again to lock in the offset setting. You can see at the top middle of the screen that +2 and -1 settings, which with a shade 10 set will allow the helmet to automatically adjust up to shade 12 or down to shade 9 based on the amount of light being generated.